Hey everyone, let's talk about hormones, but without the stress or the confusing medical jargon. If you've ever felt like your energy, mood or skin is on a roller coaster, every single month, you're not alone. You're not alone in the game, especially for middle-aged women like me and anyone who is on a period. For the longest time, I was looking for a gentle, natural way to support my body. That's when I discovered seed cycling. And it sounds fancy, but I discovered it. And honestly, one of the simplest daily habits I've adopted is to help, to keep things balanced. So days 1 to 14, which is your follicular, the first 2 weeks after your period, and basically these are flaxseed and pumpkin seeds. I've got like my yogurt already done for next week with these seeds in it. So how does it actually work? So we split it into 2 simple phases based on your cycle. And phase 1 starts on day 1 of your period, your fresh start, and goes for the first 2 weeks. During this time, your body is basically building up estrogen. And to support that, I use a tablespoon of each, and I've got it here. I've got ground pumpkin and flaxseed. These ones here, it's amazing. I've just grounded them up myself. And I've also got the seed cycle 1, 2 as well. And these are just my backup. So while pumpkin seeds are packed with zinc to support healthy progesterone production later on, to make this completely stress-free, I usually use these in my yogurt meal prep for the following week. I batch prepare my jar on Sunday, or jars, and stir the seeds right into the yogurt, and breakfast is ready to grab and go. And then days 15 to 28, I've got sesame seeds and sunflower, and these get mixed also into the same prep thing for myself on the Sundays, and usually my prep day. And then around, week 3, the week before and during a period, we switch gears to support progesterone, which helps us, feel calm and grounded and relax. For these 2 weeks, I swap to these seeds, sunflower and sesame, which are incredibly rich in vitamin E, which is fantastic for progesterone production. And sesame seeds are also, they have those clever lignans to, keep the estrogen from spiking too high right before your period. Again, I just layer them right into my yogurt weekly meal prep, so I don't even have to think about it. When the morning rush hits, it's there. It's all about creating a smooth transition. And don't get those wild pre-period crashes, where you want to binge pretty much. So, yeah, it's amazing. And it's so good for you. And it took time. It takes a couple of months if you're just first starting. But if you look into the formal research, large-scale clinical trials on the entire 4-seed protocol, a single package, and they're still catching up. But there's, the science. This is what the science does tell us. Individual studies show that specific nutrients inside these seeds, like lignans in flax and the essential fatty acids, and minerals like zinc and selenium, have a direct positive impact on hormone metabolism and reducing inflammation. Inflammation reduction is fabulous, so you heal quick. So while the clinical world studies the big picture, our bodies are reaping the very real nutritional benefits daily. And I wanted to wrap this up. So these are my pre-prepared, seeds, and my pumpkin and flax. The absolute best part, there is zero stress involved when you're ready to go and it's already mixed. And if you miss a day, don't panic. You just get back to the next morning. It's about giving your body a little extra love, one spoonful at a time. If you want to see exactly how I prep these, yogurt containers, drop a comment below or come join me over at the wellness table, where there's plenty of chat about making wellness, fit for your life and what's good for you. And I'll see you there. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more. See ya.